welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking to a lady and she's expressing her feelings towards the situation between Miss D and Marcia. Now, she's saying that Marcia is free to express herself, and she does know that, how Marcia curse and whatever. She's saying that Miss D needs to remember when Marcia had given her a break and, let her go to a hotel to relax when she thinks so, in spite of anything and what she and Marcia may have had. She shouldn't have been, saying that allegedly that she's homeless and other things about her because Marcia did good to her. So you guys would need to go and watch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, guys, as always, to have yourselves a wonderful, peaceful, and happy day.
And it's warranted. Yeah? All of this with Donna and Marcia now. Yes, Marcia cuss her, but you know what? When we're saying, oh no, Marcia shouldn't cuss her like that, we all know how Marcia cuss. Everybody knows Marcia, and we know how she cuss. Yeah? We know why she came out. We know why Donna done. Donna is a mix-up. She's an instigator. Her followers have got blinkers on, and they do not want her to take responsibility for anything. But she needs to start getting a backbone, yeah? Because right now she got some jelly back. Get a backbone. If you're addressing somebody, call their name. You can talk to them respectfully. If you feel like you need to call their name, call their name. You're referring to Marcia and Tina. Marcia whopped you. Yes, she did. And you've come out and said, oh, Marcia's homeless and stuff. Marcia's not homeless, yeah? And even if she was homeless, Donna, all right, and you're in your mansion and you're selling your cakes and you've got this and you've got that and you're busy making money and everything, yeah? This is what always happens, biting the hands that were feeding you. Because I can remember it was Marcia that took you in a hotel, yeah, and gave you a little break and everything else when you didn't have nothing. All right. So no matter what you and Marcia go through, you're not supposed to be coming outside in her like that. You're not in that position. It don't matter how much millions you got. Yeah. She knew you when you was broke and hungry. All right. She knew you when you didn't have nothing. Yeah. And she done shit for you. And if you can ignore other people, you can ignore when Ashanti was cursing you sometime or when Maxine's called. You ignore them. When Lorraine's cursing, you ignore them. Ignore Marcia. You know who Marcia is. You know Marcia probably better than all of us. You know who Marcia is. When you came out of this cheap and clean, I don't know how you can call cakes cheap and clean, but when you came out, you knew that's going to trigger Marcia off. You knew. You knew when you phoned Gracie that Gracie's going to come out and start cussing you. And now you're trying to do it with Erica, and that's why you've called Erica's name. Because normally you would say, Lord, someone send me something on my phone. You didn't need to say whose platform it was on or whatever. The other day again, you threw, I can't stand 13 after what she done to you, Dwayne. However, you've unblocked 13 because of what she's put on her page. And you don't agree with it. Fair enough.
She didn't block her.
To unfollow or whatever, whoever you want to unfollow. You didn't need to make an announcement about it. You could have just unfollowed her. And if you felt the need that you needed to tell her, you could have messaged her. But what you done is you came on your platform because you like to create this hysteria. All right, you don't feel good unless there's some kind of passa, and all of your followers, they've got you down as this, oh, poor innocent Donna. No, you're a troublemaker. You are a troublemaker because you know Curly's temperament more than any of us on social media. You know Curly more than any of us. And you knew that she was going to come out and cuss. And you wanted her to come out and cuss so that you could just get to say what? She's homeless. Hmm? So if you're a woman and if she's homeless, then you're gloating about her being homeless. That's what you're doing now. Yeah? and you've got money and you've got this and you've got that. And Dwayne, don't let nobody be phoning you and telling you about cleaning up your comment section or whatever. If they don't like it, go piss off, go back over to where you're coming from. Because we can't go on Donna's page. We can't go in her section. We can't write a comment in there. So you're going to be talking about Sharon. Sharon's fine. Sharon didn't write anything more than what we'd normally write. I've seen people write terrible things in the comments about Marcia, terrible things in a comment about Tina. You didn't come, you didn't phone up, you didn't mention any of their names to say, no, don't curse them. You're talking about what she wrote about Donna. All right? Donna's a god over her page. She's probably a god over some other pages on Dr. Love's page, on all these other people that's coming out and fighting for her, but not over here. She's just like Dwayne. We treat her just like how we treat Dwayne, Tina, Marcia, anybody. She's not bigger than anybody over here. So if you're coming to try and capture this page and turn it into the Donna show, that's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. All right, Donna trick enough of you lot, you know, and you lot are walking around with your eyes closed. Yeah, she came out. Oh, Dwayne's sick. On a prayer for Dwayne. Yeah, that's why they're on your page, because she's giving them the nod to say, yeah, you can go over there now. They wouldn't be over there. They wouldn't be over here otherwise. All right. Talk the truth. That's how it is. They would not be here. That's why I'm not taking in nothing what they're saying, whatever. You got all 600, 700 of them watching your live, yeah, and not even 100 of them want to like. They don't want to like it, right? It's only because she said, oh, Dwayne's sick, yeah, calling your name. Oh, Gracie. Now today it's Erica. She's not, Donna, you're not slick, darling. You're not, you can't fool me. You can't fool me. Everybody who you've fallen out with in the last, say, 2 weeks, you've called all of their names, all of them, to make them, put them in a nice place, let them feel comfortable in a happy place, like to say, all right, then, yeah, all right. You see, you, Dwayne, you've got a very good heart, but you've got a very soft heart. And I would never tell you to dislike her or to hate her. I don't hate her. I don't know her. I only know her from social media. I'm not going to hate people from social media, because what you see when they come off of their life, that probably ain't even that person. Yeah. So I'm not going to hate nobody. But what I will say to you, yeah, be very cautious, Dwayne.
Why?
All right? And you know, when I talk to you, you know when I'm talking to you, it's coming from a very good place. Just be cautious.
I'm good, girl. I'm
all
good.
Right?
I'm
protect
good.
Protect yourself. Protect your space and protect your energy.
I'm good.
Just be cautious.
I'm good. Just don't see me the minute
all right?
time.
Because for this woman now to be phoning up and telling you about, oh, Sharon's writing something. So fucking what if Sharon wrote something in a comment section? It's an open page. We don't run the page like over wherever, over whatever his name, you're going to be deleting them because you didn't like that comment, or because they don't say yes and agree with you, you're deleting them. No, that's not how over there run. And if you don't like it, it's a mix-up page. You don't like it, then you don't need to be here. It's just that simple. Yeah, it's that simple. You got a cheek to be phoning up, calling out Sharon. Don't do that. Don't do it. Sharon's been here from day dot. Yeah,
I know.
When all
for
of you
fact,
were dragging Dwayne, it was us here with him. Okay.
I know for a fact.
So you can't be phoning up and telling about block and this, that, and the other. No, that's not gonna work. Even if Dwayne's bending to that, I'm gonna straighten him back up. That's what me and Sharon is here for.
I
to
know
straighten
for
him
a
up
fact
and make him
Sharon's
keep his eyes
about
open.
that. Sharon knows
right? He don't need to come out cussing on. He's got no reason. He's done cussed on already. They had their falling out. He's decided to let it go. He's let it go. And that's fine. And you move on. But you can't come over and be trying to control over here. And no one can't go over there and do anything or type anything. If anyone type anything on them comment, you lot are around them like flipping flies on shit. But you want to come over here and be dictating. No, lady, go and sit down. Sit down in the audience. Keep your fingers still. Keep your lips cut. Zip your mouth. Yeah, zip your mouth. Sharon will type what she wants to type. Yeah, if you don't have a sense of humour, you can't be over here either. All right? It's not that serious. It's really not that serious. We're not running a church over here. It's not that serious. So when you go, oh, Dwayne, you need to block some people. No. When you're at Donna's, you can't tell her who to block. You can't. So why do you feel so comfortable that you can come over here now and be telling Dwayne who he must block? And then poor you, Dwayne, you're there rubbing your head like, I don't know what to do.
I would never block Sharon, though.
It's an open page. You always say that.
I did that, though. What I did.
They're not disrespecting you and things. That's fine.
I did.
There ain't no big disrespect in the comments. Read your comments after. If you feel like what Sharon said is out of hand, you can speak to Sharon about it. But I'm telling you, you're not going to. You'll probably just laugh and that's it, because it's actually quite funny. And that's it.
Listen,
okay?
Just leave Sharon
anyway,
alone.
Let me let one of the others. Probably another planker's going to phone in now. But plankers, listen. Just keep yourself easy.
All right, girl.
It's not that serious. What's going on with Marcia and Donna? It's not that serious. What's going on with Donna and Tina? It's really not that serious. Some of you are going to be shading it.
This is not about Tina Chin.
Some of you
this is not about Tina Chin.
In the near future as well.
This is not about Tina Chin. This is not about Tina Chin. All right, girl. All right, cool.
Donna and Marcia is coming from far.
All right, girl.
Very, very far. Some of you only know Marcia from the other day. They're coming from far. That's why it don't even make sense getting involved in their cascas.
All right, girl.
Because really and truly, what are they arguing about? Rubbish. What are they falling out about? It's rubbish.
All right, girl.
Yeah, so...
All right.
Just eat,
Okay.
Be there. Enjoy the lives. We're not here to take it all serious and stuff. It's really not that serious. Laugh. If you can't laugh or whatever, or you find in the comment section a little bit too heavy for you, then you can just go. That's all. That's all you need to do. I go on pages and I think, nah, I don't really like that. I just come off of the page.
All right, girl.
And that's it.
All right,
anyway,
girl.
Bye, Dwayne.
All right, bye. Guys, let me tell you something. You see, Sharon don't mean no ill will. This is how Sharon is. Sharon just like to make the comments festive. That's how Sharon is. Don't take it personal. And if any of you feel like I'm ever gonna block Sharon, that will never happen. I'm very sorry. Like, I just will never block Sharon. Sharon is someone I appreciate. Sharon is someone I value, and I'm not gonna block her. Ever. So it's either you guys go back and forth with her about about whatever she says. Go back and forth with her in the comments. Go back and forth with her. If you feel it is worth going back and forth about, go back and forth with her in the comments. But I'm not block her. I would never do that. And bear in mind, I do say people are allowed over here to speak their minds however way they please, as long as they don't get blocked by Facebook. Everything. It's all fair game for everyone. When people diss Tina Chin, people diss this one, people's dissing everybody. All sides get this. All sides getting words thrown on all sides. So I'm sorry if some of you felt uncomfortable or whatever. Just know, what you guys should more focus on is me. As long as I'm not being disrespectful to anyone, that's what matters. And anyone I blog on, I respect all of them. Shit, I like all of them, right? So you're never going to hear me come out here and be disrespectful to any of them ever again. Yes, I've gone back and forth with some people in the past, but those days of my life is done. So done. Never to be revisited again, because I want peace. So we can develop a mix-up on my island in peace. And that's it. You are on the live. What's up?
How you doing?
Hello, what's up?
I want to add my 2 cents as well.
Go for it. You're on the live. What's up?
I think I'm going to break this down.
in different parts. First, I want to address the way she came out and behaved. I think she went to her low point. For a businesswoman, a woman who's selling food, I think she should not came out on social media and behave. We all know that you're from the ghetto, but at least act accordingly. This was very disrespectful. You're no better than Curly because Curly is disrespecting you. You're disrespecting Curly. What make you different from Curly? You come out your body, your she's body shaming you. What make you better than Curly? You came out throwing words. She lived on the street. She lives in her car. She have cockroach. Everybody have cockroach in their house. And I think with your house and the gully, you have more cockroach than Curly. Because that is garbage next to your house. Because these are things that you should not put out there. This is very bad. Very bad. And I think that lady that just called to address Sharon should go over to Donna Live and address Donna. She didn't hear, oh, Donna, disrespect Curly. Why didn't she go over there and call Donna and tell Donna what she did was wrong? Sharon don't have any mother or father on social media. So she's free to speak what she wants to speak. This is called freedom of speech. Nobody is limited to speak on Donna. Who is Donna? If Donna is your God, Donna not anybody else's God. Why people cannot disrespect Donna and you go all over social media, they're bashing this one, they're bashing that one. Why people cannot bash Donna? Is Donna different from anybody else? This is very sickening and I think it will stop. And that is what I have to add.
All right, thank you. But guys, let's be real. Thank you. Guys, let's be real. Over yassa on get the good, the bad, and the indifference. On can't expect the comments to be one-sided. It will never happen in Naga because you got people I defend Curly. You got people defend Donna. This is how my platform has always been. Why I'm torn. You got people defend teenage. You got people defend that one day. You're gonna have to be defending the one of them. I saw it go. That's how I run my page. I mean, I black nobody.